The two-day annual sports event of the Berean English Medium School successfully concluded today at the Mandwi Gourmani Stadium. The closing ceremony, held on the final day, was graced by MLA Swapna Debbarma, who attended the event to motivate and encourage the participating students. The annual sports meet was a vibrant display of athleticism, teamwork, and sportsmanship, featuring various track and field events. In her address, the MLA congratulated the students on their enthusiasm and urged them to continue balancing academics with physical fitness for overall development. The event was presided over by Mandwi Debbarma, principal of Berean English Medium School, along with various faculty members and school officials.
Aku support. Mana menjadi ini satu tinggi sampai doktor rumah kamu. Siapa doktor bisi bila disay? Eko. Aku kena boleh panggil boleh. Saya ini kantor. Aku tahu mana. Kena ini semua kena. Orang semua orang mana. Only life long time. No happiness for us not life. For us not life of family history. Target not only. Angkang unai. Angkang puri wisdom. Ane life. Angkang puri sopunai. Kaisa target onai angkang sopunai. Tumpul layu. Doctor engineering. Internally, get IPS, all high siapa? Ingat kamu, kan di mana ini Khorang, yang officer, lengkap kami masuk ini Khorang, kami sampai ini dia. SDM, IPS, all high, dapat panglima juga. Dan aku semua, dan antar orang MLA sama dia, aku kan MLA
Reported by Malin from Mandwi, Chini Khorang.